How do I restart my Ring camera?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a common query that many Ring camera users have: how to restart the Ring camera. This could be due to various reasons like troubleshooting issues or just a regular maintenance routine.
What is a Ring camera?
Ring camera is a popular home security device that enables you to monitor your home remotely. The device connects to your home Wi-Fi network and can be accessed and controlled using the Ring app on your smartphone.
When should I restart my Ring camera?
Restarting your Ring camera can be helpful in several situations. If you are experiencing technical difficulties, such as the camera not recording or not connecting to your Wi-Fi, a simple restart might resolve the issue. Furthermore, regularly restarting your device can help it run more smoothly and can be a good practice for general device maintenance.
How do I restart my Ring camera?
The process of restarting your Ring camera will depend on the type of camera you have. For most models, follow the steps below. 1. Open the Ring app on your smartphone. 2. Go to the main menu and select Devices. 3. Choose the camera you wish to restart. 4. Tap on Device Health at the bottom of the screen. 5. Scroll down and find the Reboot Device option, then tap on it. Please note that not all Ring camera models may have the Reboot Device option. If you do not see this option, you may need to manually power off the device and then power it back on.
What to do if restart doesn't resolve the issue?
If you've followed the above steps and your Ring camera is still not working properly, it may be time to reset your device. This is a more drastic step and should only be taken if other troubleshooting methods have failed, as it will erase all your settings and you will need to set up your device again. To reset your Ring camera, 1. Locate the reset button on the device. It's usually a small hole on the bottom or back of the camera. 2. Use a paper clip or a similar object to press and hold the reset button for about 15 seconds. 3. Release the button. The light on your Ring camera should start flashing, indicating that it's in setup mode. 4. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to set up your device again. Restarting your Ring camera can resolve many common issues and ensure that your device runs smoothly. Always remember that if a simple restart doesn't solve your problems, a full reset may be necessary. Thanks for watching. We hope this video was helpful, and stay tuned for more troubleshooting tips and guides.